Take a moment and simply watch the colors come to life. As each shade fills the space, your mind begins to slow down. The movement is gentle, the transitions are soft, nothing is rushed. Colors have a quiet power. They don't speak, yet they change how you feel. The green brings balance, the pink carries warmth, the yellow in the center feels like calm light. As the shapes fill with color, your thoughts may begin to settle. The noise fades, the tension softens. There is something comforting about watching empty spaces become complete. You are not just seeing color, you are feeling harmony. And without even noticing, your breathing becomes slower. Your body feels lighter. Sometimes, a simple moment of color and symmetry is enough to reset your mind. If this feels peaceful, let yourself stay in it.